Hello, my name is Benson Chen, and I'm here to showcase the project I've been working on over the summer at inStorify. So essentially what I did here at inStorify was I helped integrate the Square POS system into our website. So if you ever heard of Square, it's probably the largest POS system in the US. Essentially any restaurant, any retailer you've ever gone to, you'll see those white little Square tablets, and that's what I'm helping connect into our website. So our website inStorify is an e-commerce business that essentially how it works is a store will buy an item from us, but it's going to cost them nothing. But then once they sell the item in their store, that's when we take a fee. So that's like our business model essentially. It's sort of like consignment if you ever heard about it. So my job was to take Square. This is my own Square development account. So you can just see this only one item, a test item. I'm supposed to connect this store into our website. And I've done it. So I'll show you. We can add a store real quick. We can call it Benson Store. I'm based out in Boston, so why not? We put it in Boston. And then we want to connect it to Square. So create the store. Perfect. Now that we have the store, let's connect it to Square. So we can go to the store brief. See right here, here is my store. And then I want to connect it to Square. So I wrote the functionality to essentially redirect us to the Square POS website. And then using this OAuth link from provided by Square, we can log in. And then once we log in, it should essentially connect us. There we go. And all this connection does is it stores an access token into our database. So right here is the merchant ID for the store I just created. You can see more importantly, we have an access token. And using this access token, we can now make any API call we want to the store in order to grab things such as their inventory level, their purchases, all their refunds, just anything that we need to help us integrate into our store. So I can showcase it to you. Here is a list catalog command. Essentially, this will show us all the items inside the store right now. We can paste in this link, then run the request. Yep, we are authorized, and you can see there should be one item, the test item, right? Because they only have one thing in their store right now. So now that we're connected, let me show you some things we can do now that we're connected. We can record shipping, which essentially just lets us ship an item to their store, right? So it adds it into their catalog. Let's search a brand. Let's pick the MBA store. And then we can pick, for example, a shirt that's medium. Why not? Then we can send it to Benson store right here. Add the shipping list, record it, we'll ship the item, and once we ship the item, it should pop up right here. Give it a second. And perfect, the shirt with one medium variation. So that's how I connected the store over. That's just one of the many things that I've done. I've done other things where like purchases, refunds, inventory changes, all of that is tracked via webhooks from Square. So there's a bunch of other functionalities, but essentially I just made it so that Square is now fully integrated into our website. And thank you so much for taking your time out of the day to view my demo.